Hi, John here, and for this week's tip of the week, I'm going to be showing you that Google's Reading Mode app now supports background play, which is a big deal because this is the one shortcoming that it had when it was first released. So I'm just going to get right to it. I'm in the Google News app right now, and I'm going to open an article.
Google News. Google Assistant gains new Lime and Indigo voices. Play video.
So, if you'll recall from our initial demonstration, you can bring up reading mode by any of the accessibility shortcuts, whether it be a hardware button, a floating on-screen button, an on-screen button on the navigation bar, or the accessibility gesture. So I'm going to bring it up using the accessibility gesture.
Reading mode. Hide reading mode button.
And now this is the full text article with no images, no ads, or anything to get in the way. So you could use it with your screen reader, or you can hit the play button and have it read it back to you. So that's what I'm going to do.
Play button.
And after I hit the play button, I'm going to go to the home screen to show you that it will continue playing in the background.
Google
Pause
Assistant gains new Lime and Indigo voices. Readers like you help support Android
Home.
Police.
News.
When you make a purchase using links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission. Read more. Google Assistant is no longer Google's favorite.
So as you can see, it continued to play when I went to the home screen, so I was no longer in the reading mode overlay. And I was able to pause it using TalkBack's gestures, so you can now play and pause by double tapping with two fingers, just as if it were any other media file playing. So I'm going to use TalkBack's gesture to continue playback, and then I'm going to go to the notification shade to show you that you can also get to the controls there like you would any other type of music or podcast that you're listening to. And I'm going to pause it from there.
Favorite child. With AI being the current buzzword, the
Notification
company
shade.
is instead focusing on
502.
Google Bard and its
Page.
other
Google
efforts like
Assistant
generative
gains new
search.
Lime. This phone.
This also
Expand
means the virtual
button.
assistant
Previous
is not
sentence
receiving
button.
as
Pause
frequent
button.
feature additions and updates.
This phone.
So as you can see, there's a previous sentence button, and I hit the pause button. There's also a next sentence button if you want to control it from the notifications panel. I will continue the playback and turn off the screen just to show you that it will also play with the screen off, which is the best part of having background playback.
Updates as before, but Google has not entirely abandoned Assistant and has added two new voices. Google Assistant's new
5:03 p.m.
Lime and Indigo
Home.
voices are
New.
available for US.
So as you can see, it continued to play with the screen off, so you can turn the screen off to save power. You can listen to news articles in your headphones. It was mentioned in our full demonstration, but you can use reading mode in lots of different apps and web browsers, so you can have it play while your phone's in your pocket, even if you want to. For those full demonstrations that we've already released previously, you can just follow the links in the show notes or video description.